Now we show you how to use TUOLI app. Printer reconnecting. You can choose any model, any brand as you like. Choose any photo. Just print. You can print different quantity. Print number 1, or you want to print in 2 pieces, 3 pieces as you like. For example, I print in 1 pieces. Okay. Just print. You can see it will go to the home page. It's in printing process. When it's printing, we can begin to do another photo as you like. For example, I want to print in this nice case. You can choose background. We choose the pen. We select here. Then OK, print. Or just print. You can check the printing process. Now the first photo is in printing. The second photo is waiting printing. We can continue to print another photo. First photo printing out. Now we can adjust the size. We can write words. You can choose different you like. Then, OK, print. Print. You can check the printing list. The second photo is in printing process. The third photo is waiting. We can continue printing. For example, I want to printing this. You can see. This background, if here the people head is gone, we can click. Here have a layer. We just copy. Then you can see the head is in there. We can just click the layer and copy. For example, it's still in there. We can copy again. Then just OK. Printing. You can see the second photo printing out. Now the third photo is in printing process. You can see now the fourth photo is waiting print. The fourth photo print out. You can see this is the first photo. This is the second photo. This is the third photo. This is the fourth photo. It's very fast. You can DIY any photo on the phone case. For example, if finished, you can check the task. You can see all the 4 photos we are printing is here. For example, if you like this photo, you want to print it again, you just choose and print. It will printing again. For example, if you can check the finish, waiting and finish, you can print the finished photos you like. You can add more, for example, to print. It will go here and see. For example, if I don't want to print this photo, I can delete. If I don't want, I can delete. Now it's printing. For example, if you want to print in more photo, the finish list, you can add here. Just print. It will go printer here. For example, if you this photo, you want it to move to top, you can move up. It will go here. The second photo we're printing. If you want to move down, you can let it down. You can also, for example, if this photo you want to move top, it will go top. So very easy. If you don't want the printing, you just delete.